Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing great. Today I would like to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, it's time to making video for myself as much as possible because I am never give up for my dream. That's why I'm trying my best day by day. I believe if I will have been making more video for myself, then I will be able to do. I need to my success as soon as possible because it's a having a very hard time in my life, but I really enjoy each time because if I enjoy every moment in my life, then I think it will be good for my life. That's why I am enjoy for my life every moment. In my village, this difficult place, if you are a good person, because in the village side most of the people say you can't do it for anything because most of the peoples are really bad. If you don't believe me for yourself, in that case I should be never give up for myself as well as my dream. It doesn't matter what people say about me. I know who am I. When I was arrived this place, as often as I can be making video for myself, I believe that if I more practicing, then I will be as if for anything. Actually, it's time I could be never give up for my dream as well as myself. This place air feels fresh and the atmosphere it's feel really amazing because this surrounding sites a lots of tree here and the bird singing a song over the tree. That's why it's felt really amazing. Additionally, I am proud of for myself because I think I am explore my thoughts in front of anyone. This language. That's why I am really proud of for myself. In the future, I wish I will have been visiting for lots of city as much as possible because I love meeting new people as well as new culture and traditions. If I travel new city, then I think it's improve for my language as well as my wallet. That's why in the future I hope I will be visiting lots of place. So that's all fit about me. Thank you everyone for your fashion Harry. See you next video. Have a nice day.